Sharing your design system across your organization might include developers as well. Now with XD, you can share the design system so the devs can not only see the design and interaction, but also be able to gather information like fonts, colors, gaps and margins, production-ready assets they can download, CSS, and more. With the document you want to share open, first click Share in the upper left to show share mode. With no home artboard set or any connections, all artboards in the design system are shared. Now in the property inspector on the right, you're going to see options for sharing. You can choose a preset option like development from this menu. XD provides scenario-based presets so you can create shareable links for your design depending on what you need to do. For the development option, commenting, hotspot hints, and navigation controls are enabled along with design specs. With development chosen, you can set the intended platform if you need, which sets units. You can include any assets that were marked for export previous to sharing. You can make it so that anyone with the link or only invited people can access it. And you can require a password or not. Then you can share it. Any developer that has access to this link will be able to see the product prototype, but also inspect the content. If you click the link here, you can see it in your browser. Now, the developer will be able to see the prototype artboards in different ways. Tapping Grid View here, you can see the individual screens, or you can even change it to Flow Mode, where you can see things the way they were organized in XD. If you click back on one of the screens, you can go back to the original view. Devs can also add comments like other stakeholders when they click on the comment icon over here to show the panel. And to inspect the content, they can click the code icon here to the right of the artboard. You can now see all the unique screen details like the colors, character styles, interactions used on that artboard, etc. If you click a color, for instance, or a character style, you'll copy that formatting to the clipboard. You can then paste that value into your code or an email, for example. If you select an element on the artboard, you can view its width and height coordinates as well as properties of the selected content on the right. When you view design specs in a browser, the unit of measurement can also be changed from one unit to another. This feature allows you to copy and paste the number value along with the unit of measurement you need. You can also click content out here and you can move the pointer over it, and you can see the relative distance between it and other objects. I'll go to the next screen here, and you can see that any images or assets marked for export in XD can be downloaded from here as well. You can choose a format from the menu above the download button at the bottom. And when you're sharing, if you choose export for web, devs can even copy CSS code available to use when they are ready to build.